Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It greatly helps out my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plug wires and also keep them from arcing and corroding. What you can do to prevent that from happening. And this is on a Honda Civic with a 4-cylinder, single overhead cam, non-VTEC. And today, customer wanted to go with a set of CarQuest spark plug wires. And this is a direct fit OEM replacement. There's the part number 35-4214. Alright, before we get started tearing the old ones off, and we'll do that step by step so you don't mix them up, we're going to take the new set here and we're going to get them out of the box. Alright guys, we got the new ones laying here. We're going to simply move this box, we're going to chuck it out of the way. We're going to take these new set and we're going to lay them out to where we can get to them easy, just right here on top of the engine base, fine. And then we're going to take and we'll do each one of these plug wires, we're going to do them one by one at a time and replace them with the new ones. What we're going to do is on the distributor here, on the distributor side, in the boots, we're going to make sure we cover them with anti-stick, a protectant. It's a boot lubricant that's also like a dielectric grease, so we can keep it from getting stuck when you go to take them off, on down the road when we got to replace the plug wires. We're going to put that inside each one of the plug-ins here on the wires. But before we do that, like I said, we're going to do these wires, we're going to do them one at a time. I'm going to pull one off, match one up. Alright guys, we're just going to do this right here. Cylinder number 1, right here, the shortest one. So we're going to match it up with the one right there in the stack. And you just, which I can tell by looking, but if you haven't done it before, simply going to hold them together here at the boots and stretch your wires out to where you know they're the same. And now we're going to replace them. Like I said, we're just going to repeat this process 4 times. Alright guys, like I said, before we put those down in there, we're installing the boot protector lubricant into the top of the plug wire that goes down on top of the spark plug. And we're just repeating the process, pulling one out, pulling it off the clips, popping it off the distributor here, then matching it up with the next one. And that's all we're doing, one by one, is laying it together and matching it up with the next one. I'm going to put some lubricant in there. Alright, now we got the, well, we call it lubricant, but yeah, the dielectric, grease to keep it from getting stuck on there. Because what can happen, this motor puts out a lot of heat. And you go to trying to change them on down the road, say you got a fat ass spark plug or something like that. You go to pull this boot off, it's going to be stuck, it's going to rip, and it's going to stay stuck on top of that spark plug. And then you're going to have to reach down under some super long pliers, needing those pliers to get that boot ripped out. So you can take that plug out, and then you got to replace the wires all over again. It's a really cheap preventive maintenance measure that you can do. Alright guys, we got the last one here. We're getting it popped off. I'm gonna twist it before you try to yank up on it, so you hopefully don't rip the boot, because they can, like I said, they get stuck down there on top of the spark plug. But this one is real dry looking because this valve cover doesn't leak. When they leak, they get full of oil down in there, versus this one just nice and dry and from the heat and probably arcing like crazy. Take the last one. Remember, put boot protectant inside here, so I don't know if you can see in there the connector, but so it's not arcing in there, so when you go to pull it out also, it doesn't stick. So 1 second, we'll get that protectant sticker in there. Alright guys, we got the protectant in it. Sorry. And then I'll run it across. Put the wire keeper right back on here. And what that does, you rotate it over and then slide it down. That keep him from rubbing on top of the valve cover. It's a spacer. And we're gonna connect it over here to the distributor end. Oh, we're also putting the electric connector right here on this end, right in here, because it keeps it from arcing inside this plastic housing. There you go, guys. And that is how you replace the plug wires on a Honda Civic. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You'll have a great day.